Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the home mentoring session of the accountancy. Myself, C.S.K. Khanna from the ST Vidya School, Ambala, Kent. Dear students, today we will learn the last segment of our lesson of admission of a new partner in the firm that is associated with the adjustment of capitals on admission or at the time of admission of a partner. Dear students, there may be the two important cases for the adjustment of capitals that we have to understand. First, when the new partner's capital is not given, he has to bring in the proportionate amount of capital according to his share of profit, but we have to find out how much amount of capital he has to brought in. It is not given in the question. Under the second case, when new partner's capital is given, the capitals of the old partners are adjusted on the basis of new partner's capital. Now here we have to adjust the old partner's capital on the basis of the share of the new partner in the firm and the amount of capital brought in by him. Now here in the second case, there may be the two possibilities that the capital accounts may be adjusted by introducing the cash or by withdrawing the cash, and second option may be there by opening the current accounts. So we will learn both these cases one by one. First we will understand when the new partner's capital is not given. Now when the new partner's capital is not given, he has to bring in the proportionate capital according to his share of profit in the business. Now practically what you have to do, first of all, you have to find out the sacrificing ratio, new ratio, preparation of the revaluation account and the preparation of the capital accounts. Till this step you have to first complete the question. Likewise, I share with you, find out the new ratio, sacrificing ratio if required in this case, then revaluation account preparation and preparation of the partner's capital account. Now, till the step you had completed the partner's capital account, now you have to find out the capital amount which is to be brought in by the new partners in the firm. Now, how you will calculate and find out the amount? See, the following steps are given. They are very easy and directly you can calculate. First step, say, calculate the capitals of old partners after making all the adjustments. What I share here with you, that you have to complete the partner's capital account after making all the adjustments which are given in the question. For example, there may be the amount of reserve fund, debit or credit balance of profit and loss account, adjustment about the goodwill, simultaneously revaluation account results, and if any other item is there that we have to show in the capital accounts, and find out the closing capital balances of the old partners. Then second step, calculate the total capital of the new firm. Now how you will find out the total capital of the new firm? Now see, very simply, that C is a new partner who is admitted in the firm for 1/4 share. Now the closing capital balances of A and B says that it comes out at rupees, very simply say 3 lakh of both the partners. Say of A 1 lakh and of B 2 lakh. So total capital of A and B after all the adjustment is of rupees 3 lakh. Now we all know that C is admitted for 1/4 share. Now for 1/4 share, he has to bring the amount of capital. It means the remaining 3/4 share of capital is to be contributed by the old partners. We had calculated it is of rupees 3 lakh. So on this basis, we will find out that for 3/4 share of profit, the capital is rupees 3 lakh. Then how much will be the total firm's capital? Total means 1. So we will calculate total capital of the firm, that is calculated rupees 4 lakh. 3 lakh into 4/3. That is combined capital of old partners after making all the adjustment into reciprocal. reciprocal of the combined share of old partners in the new firm. And in this particular example which I am sharing with you, I told you that new partner is admitted for 1/4 share. So automatically 3/4 will be the capital contributed by the old partners. By applying this formula, you will get the total capital of the new firm. And out of that total capital, if you deduct the combined capital of the old partners, the result will be the new partner's capital, or from the total capital, if you multiply the share of the new partner, you will get the amount of capital which is to be brought in by him. So this way you will understand that how we will find out the new partner's capital if it is not given in the question. First step is that you have to complete the partner's capital account after making all the adjustment. Second step, find out the total capital of the firm, as I told you, on the basis of the share of profits taken by the new partner and the remaining by the old partners. And after finding out the total capital of the firm, you have to find out the capital of the new partner which is brought in by him by taking his share of profit in the firm. So this way you will find out the amount of capital brought in by the new partner. Then you have to pass the journal entry, that is bank account debit to new partner's capital account, and this amount of capital will be transferred to the capital account. Rest of the question you have to complete same way. That is, you have to prepare the bank account and the new or the revised balance sheet. I would continue to the second important way of adjustment in the capital in my next video.